He put, but I went downtown.
I got the food.
$3.99. Leave it to eye mask. Well,
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tyra Monet.
But I'll be on it always, always
Y'all, it's so freaking early. It's about to be 5:15, around like 3 something randomly. I had to use the bathroom, and once I get up from using the bathroom, like I don't turn the light on or nothing. Like I literally pee in the dark. Never go back to sleep after. But yeah, as y'all can see by the title of this video, y'all already know what it's really gonna consist of. It's still coming together. She is so dry, naked. TV literally isn't even up yet. Me and my iPad been besties. My boyfriend was supposed to put my TV up like right before Christmas, but then he left to go home from New York, and he's still there with his parents. And then for this wall, maybe some like frame photos up of, well, I will check in with y'all once I'm getting ready, and I'm literally finna lay like this, and I just put on my load of laundry, and I'm just gonna lay like this until I get up to get dressed. So I'm up moving around. I am doing some Bible study since I was up early. Normally I do Bible study like midday or just like anytime I got downtime. We're looking at Sarah Jake Roberts. Love her. What it is. This is what we got. Heart health, immune system, all of that good stuff. That's why I got the orange juice. Flavor in particular, it's like lemony. I do got other ones though. I have a mango and pineapple and elderberry. So goody. Thumbnail. Let's get that taste out of my mouth. We're down here. We're gonna see if the dryer stopped. We have 13 minutes left. So we're going regular jeans and a t-shirt. Put a hat on because it is cold. I just need to brush this out. Heat on my hair, like on the top part, because and like I said, this hair is coming down. This in for like a month. I'm thinking like, it don't look bad, it just needs to be, yeah, it's loose. Like it's just now, like I'm just now starting to feel the looseness. I washed them, but like look at them, y'all. And I think I had this in for a month. Y'all, then my sister got me, cause I started collecting like my little boo-boos or whatever, so she got me this makeup kit. It is so cute, and it comes with eyeshadows, blush, highlighters, and what is these? Contours, and oh, just like regular like powders, I guess. Why they make the dark ones, why they make the bronzers so small? I'm gonna mix together like these two samples. Let's see. Ooh, she's pretty. Look like you gave some effort. Yeah, you gotta do that. That's cute. This is my work bag, y'all. I literally use this bag anytime I go to work. If it does me wrong with my little boo-boo. They say Skims. I don't think you can see it though. This is everything on. It's not a fit. I'm not going for a fit. This is like bumpy to me. I put on my bomber jacket from Pretty Little Thing, Croc boots, Like, I literally only wear these when it's raining, or like the day after it rained, or if it snows. It's actually pretty decent today. I know that sounds crazy for Chicago winter, but it's not 20 degrees. It's literally supposed to be like a high of 50. Like, yesterday felt so good, and then it started pouring down, fucking raining. Hey y'all, I have made it to the suite. Everybody keeps telling me I need to take down this, but I'm like, technically it's still winter. Don't say nothing about Christmas. I have my little tree up, but it's still winter. Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna set up real fast. Genuinely enjoy being at work. It's like my safe space. I just feel just the most like, depending on the client. Technically I already set up. She should be walking in like 2 minutes. Yeah, I just finished Ranisha.
Really want a VIP client for her VIP client.
Period. She gonna go to Baltimore, y'all. She got a hosting this weekend. Shout out She Hustle, period. I finished with my first client with Ranisha earlier than expected. So I do have a long break until like 3 o'clock, I think. It's not likely that I will have a walk-in like around this time, like early in the morning. On a Friday, it will be after like 3-4 o'clock. All right, y'all, I am back up. Just literally rested my eyes. I took my tripod into a fucking coat hanger. I am about to go get my nails soaked off. It's only 12:18. Getting these things soaked off, y'all. This is disgusting. Yeah, my brows are done too. Y'all see, it's dark as hell. Alright, y'all, I am at, as y'all can see, I am at Starbucks. My brows done. After I got my nails soaked, just ordered a blonde vanilla iced latte with oat milk, some potato chai bites. I am hungry. It's 1:47. I'm literally right around the corner from my suite. I'm gonna just walk over there. I should be done today around 6, and then we're gonna head downtown to just run some errands, go to Sephora. I got a gift card that I've been thinking to use. Thank you. Got the bite. Yeah, baked potato. These right here. These are literally so freaking good. Alright, y'all, I made it to my suite. It is dark in here. Dark. It's only like real bright light in the middle. I love these boots, but walking in them, even if it's just short distance, heavy. Don't let nobody tell y'all that they not heavy. I'm gonna show y'all what I was walking. It's Go Bears on my cup. Blonde vanilla latte, venti with light ice, oat milk. I did not get any extra shots. If y'all watch my last vlog for my photo shoot, I got a quad and a grande, and yeah, I was legit geeking. All right, y'all, I just finished. She looks so pretty. Yeah, she a Gemini, she crazy. All right, y'all, I have made it to Sephora. Finally picking up Faded by Topical. So freaking excited to finally try this. Of course, restock on my eye mask as well. Love these. Y'all know I've never tried Rode. I don't even know where to start with trying it, honestly. I still never tried Sol de Janeiro. Still never tried them. Don't know which one. I don't know which one. Should I get like a travel service to try? Get a still one. I normally like stuff that has like a hint of vanilla. Back in the house, I left my tripod upstairs. I didn't feel like going back to get it. There go Asia. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Sephora. Nasty. Sling back. That's a sexy shoe. That's Jimmy Choo. These Pumas. These are so cute for the springtime. It's giving Japan, especially that red one. So first, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the Korean store. I just put it in the same bag. Mask, and they face mask was only $3.99. Recommended to me because I was looking for something that helped with just like hydration. Exfoliants, no none of that. I just need my skin to be more hydrated. So I got this Biodance one and this big one. Y'all, they had tier in the store. I literally have to order this off Amazon time I need it, and they got it in the store. Only thing is, it was $30 in the store, and I think on Amazon it's like Amazon is probably like 20, maybe 18, I don't know. But the ladies in the store, they told me don't order this off of Amazon because sometimes when people send stuff back, you fill it with something else and it don't be the same formula. So that's nice to know. I got a touchland because I never had one and I just wanted one to have it. It's literally just hand sanitizer. I got the Sol de Janeiro in the scent. What is this? What is this? I don't know. I got this color. I just got the travel size one because I never. This smells good. Finally, so my clients can leave me alone. I want to pick me up a one size setting spray. Finally got it. Like they say, when you spray this, your makeup just don't move. I got this like months ago. I just never went and got it. My topical eye mask, well, eye patches. Really, I feel like I said I was excited about everything, but what I'm really excited about is I got the topicals faded. I got the brightening and the cleansing. Wait, oh, okay. I thought that was, what's the name? Helps like get rid of like dark spots. So many different things to get rid of my dark spots. And I heard that topicals was that girl, and it's black owned, so. And then I went to K Beauty. K Beauty is on Michigan Avenue inside of Nordstrom. I was looking for the bathroom in the first place. I was looking for the bathroom. Hey y'all, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. I'm starting this vlog so late in the day. Kind of woke up just like kind of chill. I didn't have any clients today. The Bears play today, y'all. I've never been a Bears fan in my life until now. I ain't gonna say I'm a fan, I'm a supporter. The boys all over there. Alright, the memory card in now. Yes, it's the vlog. It's the vlog. Say hey. Oh, you look cute too in the camera. Good morning, you guys. Today is Sunday and the Bears won yesterday. Y'all, the Bears beat the fucking Packers. We won football on here because I ain't gonna lie, my speeches never gave me a reason to believe, and now they're giving us a reason to believe, and I just love the energy that's in Chicago right now, and I'm just so excited. Good morning, well, good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock. I just got out the shower. I've been up. I was just literally just dilly-dallying around the house for real. It was cool. I didn't vlog as much yesterday because I was chilling like with family and stuff. We was watching the game, just chilling, eating, vibes. You know vibes, family. They're coming back over because today is Genesis' birthday. I think they're gonna come over tonight, and I think me and Poo might cook some food. I'm not sure. I'm about to try my faded by Topicals. Something as y'all can see, I just want these little black spots gone. Oh wait, I'm gonna spray my face first with my Mario Badescu like I always do. I should have bought my tripod here. I literally got the camera sitting on the freaking faucet. I'm gonna spray that. I always spray that. It just makes my skin feel so good, so soft, and it actually like brings like a glow to my skin. We're gonna try this. It has kojic acid, niacinamide, azelaic, what's that say? Azelaic acid, and child Jesus. Maybe you should be using stuff you can't even pronounce, first of all, Tyra. They're down. Okay. All over 1 to 2 times a day after cleansing the skin. Daytime use, follow with an SPF. Do not layer with noise, BHAs, AHAs. So put all over. So kind of like a moisturizer base. Y'all can tell I was up yelling yesterday. Y'all, Bears won. It's like real hydrating actually, like a moisturizer. My Fade Milk by Palmer's. Love them down. My favorite moisturizer to use for my face. Bear down. Sunscreen. Skin is skinning. I'm not talking to you in the house. Me and Poo had went to the grocery store to go get food for dinner, tacos and nachos. And G, it's her birthday, so she got steak. And she loaded. You don't even remember calling me all the time. I seen her just laughing at me. You ain't hot, though? I'm like, I bought no mercy uno, y'all. It's gonna get real violent.
Real violent, crazy. It's hard.
Yeah, okay.
Not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Oh, you got
look at this man here.
Yeah, I got killed.
Violence.
Yeah, I got shit.
That was me.
You said I reversed it. It was going this way.
Oh, you reversed it?
Yeah, reversed. I know what I'm doing.
Hi y'all, the food is done. The bacon is for G's steak with her baked potato. I'm over here getting they tortillas together. I eat nachos. There, she's returned. Hi y'all, everybody eating their food. I'm done cooking. I'm gonna show y'all the birthday girl. The birthday girl tapped out on us. Birthday girl, look at her. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. Antonio had to come out here and tell him how to play the game. Look at Shauna. Hit your, hey, do your dance you did earlier. But I'm finna sit down and eat. How that shit hand?
I ain't gonna lie, that's 19 though. That's 19. You can't play after 25 cards. You got 25 cards,
Yeah, I'm finally getting to play Uno.
You got it, come on. Come on.
Trust in me. I can't, you said I can't trust in you.